Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're gonna be showing you 4 easy exercises that you can do anywhere without any equipment. Make sure you have the sound on because we're gonna be giving you form tips. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we're gonna be sharing a lot of health and wellness tips to make sure you're leveling up your body, mind, and soul.
Hey guys, so the first exercise we're going to start off with is air squats. And if you notice, she is forcing her knees out and stopping at 90 degrees and driving up. Alright guys, so the second exercise is going to be push-ups. And with this, you want to try making an arrow with your body, keeping your body straight and going straight down and driving with your palms straight back up. And as you notice here, and as I mentioned in the previous video, that you want to make an arrow instead of a T. That's the biggest mistake most people make. So like I said, in this video, you can see the arrow a lot better. Alright guys, the next exercise is mountain climbers. You start in a push-up position and then drive your knees to your elbows. Alright guys, so the last exercise that we're going to be doing is lunges. These guys can burn. You want to step out in front of you, get a 90-degree angle, and then drive back up, keeping your chest and chin straight up.